Setting up an e-commerce site using WordPress is extremely straightforward. Let's find out straight away how to do it. I'm going to use the same demo site that we set up before for our blog and just add in the shop to that site. So there are a number of e-commerce plugins for WordPress, but there's a standout one known as WooCommerce. It's free to use if you stick with the basic features, and it also integrates really well with a number of themes, including the X theme. So I've just installed it there using the plugins from within WordPress. Now, like the X theme, the WooCommerce plugin comes with some demo content, which we'll use to see how it's all going to look. So let's just do that. Install WooCommerce pages. And there we go. So everything now is set up for us. Let's have a quick look at the settings that we're able to change. So things like currencies, styles and layouts, colors, and I won't go into all the details, but products, tax, checkout, shipping, etc. All the sort of things that you would need to adjust and play around with for your shop. The WooCommerce dummy data file is actually contained in the WooCommerce plugin folder, which gives us an opportunity to just dig in a little bit into what plugins actually look like. So they're essentially collections of PHP files which work together with the default WordPress installation to provide whatever function the plugin is meant for. So if we have a look at WooCommerce, select there. So if you're having a problem with a plugin, or if you want to make it do something it doesn't do, then this is where to go to actually play with the code of the plugin itself. It's a dangerous thing to do, but it can be a lot of fun trying to wrestle a plugin to do what you want it to. For the moment, we're just going to look at this dummy data file, which is what we want. So I'm going to select all of that and then save it into a file. So I'll switch over to Text Wrangler, and then I'll just save as, and we'll call it dummy data.xml. Great. Now we can go back over to WordPress and import our data, just in the same way we did before. There we go. Choose the file and import it. And then we'll choose download and import file attachments. That means that it will download any images and other content for the import. That can take a little while, so I'll just pause the video while it's going through. Great, now that's done. If we go back over to pages, there's a few new pages have been added through the WooCommerce plugin. The one we'll look at first is the shop, so let's just see what that looks like. It's an empty page, so you would guess that it would have no content, but WooCommerce actually uses this page to display the main homepage of the shop. So let's take a look and see what it actually looks like. There it is. So we can see all of our default content really nicely displayed using our theme. If we roll over, we get an add to cart. We can look at the message there. So as you can see, very nicely, straight away, we've got a really good looking shop. Let's add it to our cart. That's done. So now if we look at our cart, we can see it again. It's displaying really nicely. And we could actually go through to order there. So that's how easy it is to create a shop. There's a few things that you'll probably want to customize. So let's have a little look at WooCommerce and see how we do that. So in the products page, here we can see all the demo products that we've uploaded, and we can make various changes to prices, categories, tags, etc. So that's where you would edit all of your products. If you want to make slightly bigger changes to, say, the way the shop page appears, you can do that in the settings under products there. So you can choose which of your pages is your main shop page. So we'll keep it as shop for the moment, and you can choose how those products are displayed. If you want to add a set of products on a particular page, you can use what's known as a shortcode. So we've mentioned them before. I've got the WooThemes website up here with the WooCommerce shortcodes. So if, for example, we wanted to show recent products, then we would just use this code here, and that would allow us to put 12 products per page in 4 columns. So let's see how that works. Let's pick a page. Let's choose our sample page. And we'll get rid of all of this and just replace it with a single WooCommerce shortcode. And then view it, and there you go. So again, really nicely displayed, really nicely laid out. So as our final look at shops, we're going to switch to a different theme. So we'll go for, I'll pick one at random this time, Integrity 01. Why not start at the beginning? So same as before, we're just going to download the zip file to the desktop and then open it up, and that will give us a JSON file which we can then install using the customizer, and that will switch us over to the new style. So we want integrity01.json. So we'll upload and import that. That's done, and now let's just refresh our page. And you can see we've now got a completely different style, but it still looks great. So that's how we can use the X theme and WooCommerce to create a shop really quickly and really easily.